Hello, in this video we will show you how to remove and replace the window motor on Mercedes CLS W219. In order to have access to the window motor, first we need to remove the door panel. First we'll start by removing these two bolts. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we're going to remove this bolt right there and remove this plastic. Next there are three plastic trims that we need to remove. This is the first one. This is the second plastic trim that we need to remove, and the other one is on top of it. Next we need to remove two Torx bolts, which are just there, one there, and next to it is the other one. There's another bolt that we need to remove, and it's just there. Next we're going to remove this plastic that's on the inner side of the wing mirror. And now that all the bolts are removed, we can just pull out the door panel. The door panel now is held by a couple of clips on all sides, but we just need to pull it out and it will come out. That's the door panel out. Now we need to remove the cable for the door handle, and there's also 4 or 5 electrical connectors that we need to disconnect. And now we can remove the door panel. Next we need to remove this cover. It's glued on, so we need to just pull it out. Be careful not to tear it, and just don't remove it the whole way. Just remove it halfway and then put it to the side. And now we have access to the window motor. This is the window motor right there. It's held by 3 Torx bolts that we need to remove, and 1 electrical connector. Now that the bolts are out, we need to pull out the window motor and remove the connector, and then we can replace it with a new one. That's the window motor removed. Now we can put on the new window motor. We'll tighten the bolts, then we'll put on the electrical connector and assemble everything in the reverse order. Thank you for watching.